If you want to know how to buy shares of Fenix Resources Ltd, I will walk you through the basic steps. Fenix Resources is an Australian iron ore company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker FEX.ASX. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FEX.ASX to find the listing. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct Fenix Resources Ltd stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing matches Fenix Resources Ltd before moving to buy. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market session. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing final confirmation. Once the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.